In this lesson, we will examine the slope y-intercept form for writing the equation of a line. Now this equation, 3x plus 2y equals 6, is not written in slope y-intercept form. As such, it is difficult to picture what the corresponding line looks like. Well, the line looks like this. What about the line corresponding to the equation 2x minus y equals 3? Well, once again, it is difficult to envision that this line looks like this. Now compare these two equations to equations written in slope y-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m and b are constant values. When we are given an equation in this form, we immediately know two things about the corresponding line. First, the coefficient of x, which we'll call m, tells us the slope of the line. And second, the constant term at the end, which we'll call b, tells us the y-intercept of the line. So, for example, if we are given the equation y equals 2x minus 3, we should immediately have a good idea of what this line looks like. We know that its slope must be 2 and its y-intercept must be negative 3. When we graph this line, we see that its slope is 2 over 1, which simplifies to be 2. And we can also see that the line intersects the y-axis here at the point 0, negative 3. So the y-intercept is negative 3. So as you can see, it is relatively easy to sketch lines when their equations are written in slope y-intercept form. Okay, now let's practice by graphing the line y equals negative 2/5 x plus 4. Since the equation is already written in slope y-intercept form, we can see that the slope of the line is negative 2/5 and the y-intercept is 4. So we now have enough information to sketch this line. Let's begin with the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 4, so the line must pass through the y-axis at the point 0, 4. Now let's use the fact that the slope of this line is negative 2/5. We know that the slope of a line is equal to its rise divided by its run. This line has a slope of negative 2/5, which we'll write as negative 2 over 5. Now we'll draw a line that has a rise of negative 2 and a run of 5. Beginning at the y-intercept, we'll sketch a rise of negative 2, and from here we'll add a run of 5. Once we connect our 2 points, we have sketched the line y equals negative 2/5 x plus 4. Okay, let's summarize. In this lesson, we learned that when equations of lines are written in slope y-intercept form, they provide two important pieces of information.